All right, Promineo Week 1 project. I believe we have to create a remote repository today. I am going to go ahead and do that. I have a GitHub already set up. You can create a new repository by clicking on New up top. I'm going to type in Promineo Week 1. It's going to create the repo for me. It'll actually provide you with some instructions too if you'd like, but I'm not going to use those. Well, I will be, but I won't need them. I'm going to use the integrated development environment inside of, the terminal inside of VS Code. I can get into the already downloaded folder that I got from the drive that is on my desktop. By first finding it, to know where I'm at, I hit ls and it'll show me what directories I have available currently. I would like to move into desktop. Move into desktop by hitting CD desktop. We'll show ls where I am now. Right there is the Promineo Tech. I actually want to see what's inside of Promineo Tech. So I'm actually going to type in ls Promineo Tech. It's going to show me what's in there. I can type in CD Promineo and hit tab, and it'll automatically show me or complete it for me. I'm going to type in the next directory name, which is week 01, and hit tab and autocomplete. And then I'm actually going to, you know what, we'll wait. And then if you want to make a directory, in this case I want to make my homework directory. As you can see, it made it there for me. I'm going to CD into homework and go in. I am then going to create a file for my initial push. I'm going to say Promineo Week 1 homework. That's going to print that to a file for me that I can do by using these symbols and then naming the file readme.md. As you can see, it's already been added. You can initiate a local repository by hitting git init because I do have Git already installed. I do have a Mac, so it'll give you a couple of information. You can see the status of Git by typing in git status. You'll see all the files that are currently untracked and what's been committed. I am actually going to add the file that I just created. You can do so by either typing in git add readme.md, like the file name, or the period. That will add everything that is currently in there. If you wanted to see that, you would actually type in git status again. It would show you all the files that have been added. You can then run the command git commit with the flag m, and then whatever you wanted to add to it. I'm just going to say initial commit. Then you're going to tell it the branch that it's going to use, branch-m main. Then you're going to add the origin, git for the remote branch, remote, add origin, and then you're going to give it the URL, which we can in fact get from the browser right there. We're going to copy that little string right there. Flip back to VS Code, add that into our command. It's going to add that remote. Then you're going to push to that remote branch, or the remote origin. We're going to, with the command git push, the flag u, origin main. That tells the branch on that remote repository that you're pushing it to. It'll tell you what it's done, and then it's pushed, and then you're done. If you want to declare a terminal, you can type in the command clear. Flip back to the browser. We're just going to confirm that it is in fact in my repo. And boom, there's the initial commit.